Welcome back to Woodcraft 716. I'm Mike Weibel, and on this channel we build awesome projects with inexpensive tools. This week we hit a major milestone in my opinion. We hit 4,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. I'm thrilled to death. I really appreciate it. When I first started this YouTube channel, I never would have thought that it would grow to be what it is today. I know it's small in comparison to some other channels, but it really makes me feel good that we're starting to build a community, and I appreciate every one of you. I'm also aware that it's taken me quite a while to put out a video. I had some urgent family matters that needed my immediate attention, and I'm hoping to move forward and get back into swing of things now that that's behind us. I also want to thank all my friends that have given me the encouragement to keep going, even though the times were tough for a little while there. We're going to keep on making videos. They're going to be good videos. They're going to get better all the time, and I would like for you to stick around for those. So now that all this craziness is put behind me, we're going to work on making better videos with better content. I want to thank you all for subscribing to this channel, and remember to always create and inspire. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video real soon.